waving bye to the kids. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna go work on my Beamer when you guys leave. You just don't know it. I'm gonna go work on my E38. Bye, baby. I love you. Whoa. Bye. I'm gonna go work on my E38. Alright, let's go. Get the E38, pull it into the driveway, take a little look at it. I got some battery, got some keys, little 7 logo. Let's go take a look. That was my neighbor. He's cool. He drives a Sequoia. Walking up the hill. So I think my wife's not going to be cool with me having another car, a second project car, but I'm told her, I'm like, I just want to stunt on the gram. She laughed at me when I said that. I laughed at myself when I just said it right now. But I really do. This E38 is great. Beautiful. So is my E39, but something about the E38 is just, it's magnificent. Oh, that lady did not stop at that stop sign. Ran that shit. Too many hills in my neighborhood. I'm just fat and out of shape. Pretty much the same thing. Ah, there she is. What a great car. Just look at it. Classic. Timeless. Need a new taillight. E38 Empire's gonna hook that up. Here she is. Got a little grill. Work on that a little bit. Let's start her up. This thing sounds better than my E39. I'm telling you. Oh, bank vault styles. Something about this car, you just sit in it and you're just like, it's magic. I don't know if it's these comfort seats that are, you know, a good 17 years old. Car's in great condition. Backseat's chilling. Little headliner sag, but I'm gonna do the starlight. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the starlight. I swear to God, it's gonna look like a Bentley back here. I'm gonna make this all black. Yeah. Hell yeah. This thing's wonderful. All right, let's find a place for you. Huh. Hey, that works. My seatbelt doesn't necessarily coil back the best. So if you guys know a fix for that or something, hit the comments. Oh, if you can see this. Cup holders, cup holder gang. Now you just gotta like lift it a little bit and it'll go back in. Oh man, now I'm embarrassed. No. It like doesn't sit right, but listen, I'm okay with that. It's like this piece doesn't sit right. Or it doesn't lock in right. Anyways, I had them closed. Hey, look! Bam! And the ones back here work. Wow, you just took a header. Look at that. These ones work too. They don't really fold back. Nice. It's legit, dude. There's a lot on this car that's just magnificent. Parking brake works. Sometimes you gotta pull it twice, but hey. Goes into drive, doesn't make any weird noise. Here we go. $251,000 miles. A couple hundred away from 252,000 miles on this car. And it looks basically new. I mean, there's some grime. Everything works. Everything works. All this stuff works. Everything works. It's like, it's just great. You know, it's great. Everything works. Which is amazing to find in a car 17 years old, this high of mileage, for as cheap as I got it. If y'all don't remember my last video, I only paid $500 for this thing. $500. It's like what my wife pays for sunglasses. I pick up cars. You know, to each his own, but I think I get a better deal, but she looks good in the sunglasses, so I'm not gonna complain. Oh yeah, I left my garage door open. It's a pretty safe neighborhood. I left this thing open once for like 2 or 3 hours. Nothing. Security cameras picked up nothing. Oh, okay, so I'm trying to turn into my garage. Dumbass. Lexus. Fuck a Lexus. Dumbass. Come back. I got tools. Asshole. Motherfuckers. People don't fuck around. Shit. Car stays in park pretty nice. Dude, I wish that guy would come back. Dick. Oh. What do we got in here? We got the stash. This looks like, I should clean this stuff out. Earplugs, some chains. Is that a pill? No. Nice. What is that? Anyways, whatever. But again, listen. It works. I don't know about the glove box. Let's see this. Uh-huh. That's going to be a no. All right. You're going to unlock it. Oh, hey. Shut up. Oh, it doesn't work. Hey, you know, it's still cool that I got one. Let's get it back in there. Hey, glove box. Pretty functional. Pretty happy. All right. A bank vault, dude. Magnificent. You know, it's got a little rub here. That's okay. Oh, that's right. I have no key on this thing, so I got to put a new battery in and do the little program. Nice. Actuator works. I mean, you know, there's some trim misguidance, but this window has an issue with the roll up. These obviously sag, and these clearly are sagging, but no, they fit nice. Look at that. Missing a piece here. Don't know really what's going on with that, but again, you know, it could use a cleaning. It's nice. Headliner sags a little bit, but again, not the worst. See what's back here. Is this just a liner? What is this? Okay, this must be just a liner. Alright, I'll get that. Oh, it's got a hole in it. Whatever. There's that. Oh, there it is. That stays up nice. Got my first aid kit. Let's see if there's anything in there. Terrible camera angle. I'm sorry about that, guys. You know, I'm just learning this YouTube junk. Alright, so let's get into the first aid kit. Hopefully there's money and drugs. No! Looks like it's OG, brand new, never been opened. Probably not sterile, but you know, hey. It's nice, dude. These back seats are so comfy. When my wife finds out I bought a new project car, it's gonna be me like sleeping in the 7 Series, dude. This is nice. Goes back slow still. Still works. Still works. This is legit. I think there's some schmutz around here. But all in all, this car is magnificent. $500. It pays to be super nice and not a weirdo when you go buy cars. There were other people that wanted this car, but I was cool about it. I was super nice. I don't know how the fucking trunk opens, but super nice. Oh, alright, you just press the button. So those hood shocks are kind of relaxed, you know. I gotta tidy this up. Tidy this up. So I didn't even look at any of this stuff. Cool, it's here. That's nice. Nice. Magazine. Damn, no like Bob Seger or anything. GPS, navigation. That's how you get to the lights, I guess. That's cool. Trunk is massive. Trunk is massive. Bodies. Leave the bodies in here. Nice. That's how you store. Okay. Battery. Let's check this board out. When was this put in? Interesting. All right. Well, I gotta figure out when this. It looks really new. So. All right. It's all nice. It's gonna have to get repaired. It works, but. So does this have the trunk button where it folds down? Okay, so it's got the actuator that shuts it, I guess. It's a clean car. Look at this thing. So I got, you know, of course, every BMW owner, I got these trim pieces by the dozen in my house. I could probably just pop this off and fix that. That doesn't look like the standard rug, but you know, that's a seam, but it's not bad. Cool. In case I need a bulb. And some Cosmo Schwartz paint. Good looking out. Good looking out. Clean. You know, the seat's a little torn up, but again, clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. It's an MSport. So you know it's got the cool stuff on it. It's got the diff and the M-Pars. Ah, these are nice. These are nice rims. Speaking of BMW, here's a bolt. It's cool. It's in a washer. This grill is disconnected in so many ways. It's got a little dent here and there, but dude, this thing is spotless. Spotless. E38 2001 MSport flagship. The last of the great BMWs, people, right here. This one and that one. E38 E39. Now let's, I want to tint it before I slap my Empire sticker on here. Shout out to the E38 Empire Facebook group. Those dudes are dope.